Begin by removing the two plastic screws holding the insulation piece above the passenger side footwell. Red arrows, screws removed. The screws should only be installed hand tight. This photo illustrates the plastic retaining screws, red arrow 1 shown. The insulation piece they hold on is pretty flimsy. Over-tightening these screws will rip the insulation. With the screws removed, you can pull the insulation piece down from the dash and footwell, red arrow. It's just held in by the forward ledge and friction at this point. Locate the long plastic cover for the filter housing and slide it to the right, red arrow. There are 6 plastic hooks, red arrows, 2 demonstrated, that fit up through the filter, yellow arrow, and into the filter housing. These hooks mate up with the housing and hold everything in place when the lid is slid to the left. Pull the filter down and out from the housing, red arrow. If your filter is really dirty, it's a good idea to put a shop rag or towel down to catch the dirt and debris that's going to come out. The filter has a cutout section in the top right corner that will only fit into the housing one way, red arrow. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.